Imagine 30 feet tall snow drifts burying entire buildings, thousands of cars abandoned in streets, and people seeking shelter wherever they could find it. This wasn't a disaster movie. This was Buffalo in January 1977. The blizzard of 1977 gave Buffalo its legendary reputation for brutal winters. But here's the twist. Only 12 inches of snow actually fell during the entire 4-day storm. So where did those massive drifts come from? The stage was set months earlier. November and December were so cold that Lake Erie froze solid by mid-December, a month earlier than normal. The temperature stayed below freezing for 34 straight days. During that time, 93.5 inches of snow piled up on the frozen lake and around the city. Then, on the morning of January 28th, everything changed. 69-mile-per-hour wind gusts roared across the region. That wind picked up the massive snowpack from the frozen lake and hurled it onto Buffalo, which already had feet of snow on the ground. A low-pressure system stalled over southern Ontario, keeping those brutal winds whipping for 3 solid days. Snow drifts reached 30 feet high, swallowing cars and blocking roads completely. 23 people lost their lives in that storm. The blizzard of 1977 remains one of the most devastating weather events in Buffalo's history, a reminder of nature's raw power.